continues. Analysts are now asking just what sort of shape the country could take if President Mubarak steps down, and just how long will it take the economy, which is estimated to be losing around $310 million a day because of the crisis. Well, Egypt's finance minister, Amira Ahmed, told the BBC the situation could not continue as it is. He warned the country's economy would suffer if those protests go on. Well, let's go straight down to Cairo, where Amira Ahmed is the business editor of the Daily News and joins us. Amira, always good to see you. Okay, let's talk about this. We've got continued uncertainty. Investors and investment and the markets, they don't like uncertainty. So let's talk about that issue. We've got the stock market apparently reopening on Sunday, but given, of course, the continued uncertainty, if it does open, could we see a big sell-off?
Yeah, as right now, sentiments have gone towards from positive throughout midweek. It's turning negative again after the president's speech last night. And protesters are escalating their protests, and more people are joining. Stock market is set to open on Sunday, but that's actually pending a final announcement by the market authority on Saturday. So there's a chance that it might not open on Sunday. Given the current circumstances and the fact that things don't seem to be slowing down as the protesting is going, then there's a chance that it might not open.
Amira, let me ask you this. I've heard that you've been in contact and speaking to investors, investment bankers in the region. What sort of things are they telling you?
Well, the sentiment among investors and analysts, and especially people in the tourism sector, which has been the most affected and completely kind of come to a dead halt, the sentiment is that if people's political demands are met, if their demands are answered, if there's a real work towards political reform and democracy, then investor confidence will be that tourists will want to come back to see this, to be a part of the new Egypt, and it will become an attractive destination both for tourists again and for selling a different story to investors. Come be a part of the new Egypt, something that the youth is working for, and the country's always capitalized on its youth. It's a rich consumer market with a large segment of that is the youth. So now they're empowered, they feel like a sense of ownership. So this is the kind of story that they bring to investors and as a way to boost their confidence. As things stand now, it doesn't look very good, and there's a lot of uncertainty, and it continues, and so that's going to have a negative effect on the economy, and it's going to be really hard to convince investors and tourists to come back to Egypt anytime soon.
Okay, Amira, I'm going to have to end it there. Unfortunately, we've just got some sound problems, but hopefully we can talk to you later on in the day, or certainly talk to you very soon. Amira Ahmed joining us, the business editor, of course, at the Daily News, joining us from Cairo. I do apologise about some of the sound issues there.